I was going to cut this with the hole saw, but the hole saw's too out of round and just wasn't doing a good job. So we're going to go ahead and plasma cut this. We'll see how well this thing does a pierce and how well I can follow the line that the hole saw left. So let's give it a go and see what happens. Actually, it went better than I thought it would. You really have to order a circle cutting guide, but that worked out pretty well. We stand that up. Our light's going to sit in here just like this. I think it turned out pretty good. So, we get that dross cleaned up off of there with the grinder, and we'll get it tacked back in place. We got the angle measured when we took it up, when I took it off. It is 147.5 degrees. So we can get it right back in the exact same position we had it in. And I stepped on the plug. There we go. Forgot to mention, we are going to be mounting these lights upside down, and I'm going to weld some tabs on to mount the light to instead of using the bracket that they came with. Alright, be back when we get this back in place and we're getting on to setting up for the next couple of pieces. Okay, next piece is all cut out, ready to go in. Just going to tack it in place here and get on to the rest of this build. Pretty good. We can give it a couple more tacks. Okay, got our bumper done to the outside. I'm going to go ahead and recut the parts for the other side, get those all tacked in, and then we'll come back for the upper plating. Alright, while we were away, I did some little more CAD work and got all the top pieces for the bumper design. These are all going to get mirrored on the opposite side, so I've got a marked top, so the top, so I know it's the top pieces, and they're marked 1 through 5. Each piece is, so I can trace them out, and they're marked right and left. So this is the right side as I'm facing the truck. When I do the other side, I'll be able to flip them all over and cut them out for the left side. Then everything should match up perfectly, and I kind of like the way it's turning out. It's kind of what I had envisioned in my mind, very close to what I had envisioned in my mind. I still don't know what I'm going to do here right in the center with the winch. That's still to be determined. We'll have to work on that in a little bit. I'm going to get all these pieces cut out, and when we come back, it'll be tack welding everything in, and then after everything's tack welded, we'll go ahead and pull the bumper and get it up on the bench and finish weld everything, and catch that all on video for you. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.